Hey friends, hello and welcome back to today's YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the VPN is not working on your Windows. So if that's the case, let's go quick into the process. First is we need to try with the basic thing, which is to restart our Windows. So make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows because sometimes a simple restart can usually fix an issue that you're facing on your Windows. So try to restart first. If that works, then good, but if not, then we need to move to the next methods. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type firewall. You will find Windows Defender Firewall, this one under settings. Click on that. Now here you have this option on the left pane, turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. So we need to turn off the Windows Defender Firewall for both the private and the public network settings. So once you have turned off the firewall for both the private and the public network settings, then try connecting to your VPN. And if it is working fine this time, then you need to turn it on again from here. So try on that. Next method, if IPv6 is enabled on your Windows, then we need to disable that. So how can we do that? Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel under the Best Match. Now here you need to view this into categories so that you will find Network and Internet. Click on that. Now here you'll find Network and Sharing Center. Click on your connection, which is hyperlinked. Click on Properties. And here you'll find the Wi-Fi properties. Scroll down and we need to look for the Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IPv6. So if this is enabled on your Windows, then you have to simply uncheck or do not check this option to disable the IPv6 and click on OK and then close this and close this. And you might just have to restart your Windows after disabling the IPv6 and then your problem will be fixed. For the final method, all we have to do is we need to click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to look for network and internet. Scroll down and you will find advanced network settings. And here you'll find more settings. You'll find network reset. Click on that. So this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to the original settings. So what you can do is you need to click on the reset now button and you have to click on yes to reset your network settings. And after this will restart your Windows. So you just have to reconnect into your VPN again. So that's it. If any of these solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.